Welcome to this numismatic masterclass. Stop cleaning your rare coins. This video is your comprehensive guide to professional coin conservation. Part 1 covers the golden rule of coin preservation, why dirty is often better than damaged. The natural patina on the left is desirable, while the harshly cleaned coin on the right is considered damaged. The cost of cleaning is significant, potentially causing up to a 90% value reduction. Improper cleaning permanently alters the surface, preventing a numeric grade from top surfaces and drastically reducing market value. Understanding the science of luster is key. Authentic mint luster is the Cartwheel Effect, created by microscopic flow lines. Cleaning removes these lines, leaving a dull, dead surface that experts can instantly spot. Common destructive practices include chemical dipping, which uses harsh acids, physical abrasion, which causes microscopic scratches, tap water exposure, which leads to corrosion, and baking soda paste, a powerful abrasive. Part 2 focuses on conservation versus cleaning, understanding the professional boundary. Conservation preserves original surfaces and history, while cleaning alters surfaces and reduces value. Amateur cleaning aims for a shiny look but is abrasive, leading to decreased value and a, quote, details grade. Professional conservation removes contaminants non-destructively, preserving or enhancing value and eligibility for a full numeric grade. Trust the professionals. If your coin has heavy residue, PVC damage, or ugly spotting, do not attempt to fix it yourself. Conservation is about longevity, not aesthetics, using proprietary scientific methods to safely remove contaminants. When handling, always use cotton gloves to avoid skin oils and acids. Hold coins by the rim, never on the fields or design elements. Also, watch your breath, as micro droplets can lead to spotting. For safe storage, use professional slabs like those made of sonic-sealed, archival plastic, or coin flips labeled SAFLIP for grading submission. Always avoid traditional flips that contain PVC, which creates green slime. As a collector, you are a temporary custodian of history. Your duty is to pass your coins on in the best possible condition. The custodian's legacy is simple. When in doubt, do nothing. History will thank you.